12th standard. Today we come up with another one topic of colligative property, and that is another property, that is osmosis and osmotic pressure. Fine beta. So if we are talking about the what are the real life examples of osmosis, or what there is need to study about the osmosis, तो सबसे पहले हम ये बात करें तो I think all of you must feel, observe in your daily life, when you have a salty food or oily food, then after that you feel thirsty. उस दिन आपको ज़्यादा प्यास लगती है if you eat pakoras, or if you eat chole bhatures, or means have very spicy foods. And after that, or we can say that during the dialysis of kidney in the excretory system, this is also an example or real life example of your osmosis. Then when you soaked raisins in the water, then after some time we must notice that raisins swell. So this is a example of osmosis. Movement of salt water in the animal cell across our cell membrane, that is also example of osmosis we can see in our daily life experience or in our daily life. Similarly, the movement of water and minerals, it is a very big example or applications of, we can say, osmosis, that movement of water and mineral from root nodule to the various part of plants. ठीक है बच्चे? So so for that we should study about that what is osmosis, और इसका significance भी होता है osmosis का, that as I have told you that it transport nutrients and release metabolic waste products. It is also responsible, as I have already told you, absorption of water and minerals from the soil, and sending it to the upper parts of the plants or xylem. It also stabilizes internal environment of a living organism. पानी का balance, it maintains a balance in between water, पानी and other fluids, जो भी हमारी बॉडी में और इंट्रासेलुलर फ्लूइड्स होते हैं उनका बैलेंस को मेंटेन रखता है. इट ऑल्सो मेंटेन द टर्जिडिटी ऑफ द सेल्स, कि बहुत ज़्यादा ना तो वो फूलें ना बहुत ज़्यादा श्रिंक हो. ठीक है, तो उनकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. इट ऑल्सो वी कैन से कंट्रोल दी cell to cell diffusion of water. ठीक है. So as I have already told you that there are many examples for osmosis, like the absorption of water from the soil, that is because of osmosis, in which plant roots where the high concentration is present have a high concentration than the soil, and therefore the water flows into the roots. ठीक है. The guard cells of the plants, that is also affected by osmosis. ठीक है. Like when the plant cells are filled with water, so guard cells क्या हो जाते हैं, swell up हो जाते हैं, और जिसकी वजह से स्टमटा क्या होगा, ओपन हो जाएगा. अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं फ्रेश वाटर या सॉल्ट वाटर फिश की, एंड इफ इट इज प्लेस्ड इन द वाटर विद डिफरेंट सॉल्ट कंसंट्रेशन, तो क्या होगा बेटा, फिश डाई कर जाएगी बिकॉज ऑफ द एंट्री और एग्जिट ऑफ वाटर इन द सेल्स ऑफ द फिश. तो उसको उसी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के वाटर में रहना पड़ेगा, either that is of a fresh water or that is a salt water in which it is already adapting, otherwise that can die. ठीक है. Humans basically who suffers from cholera, that is also affected by the osmosis, because the bacteria which overpopulate, which increases in number in the intestine, that reverse the flow of absorption. क्या कर देता है, उलट कर देता है, and do not allow water to be absorbed by the intestine, and further result of which it causes dehydration in the body. ठीक है. Similarly, when we placed our fingers in the water for a very long period of time, then we have observed that these becomes प्रून है वो बिल्कुल फूले वैसे और वाइट से हो जाते हैं, जैसे ब्लड ही नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर inside the cells. So this is all about, we have discussed about osmosis, why there is no need to study about the osmosis, and why osmotic pressure is to be considered as a colligative property. ठीक है. So now we are going to study about osmosis. It is a process by which molecules of a solvent, please just have a look. Molecules of a solvent pass from, ये हमारे molecules of solvent है, these process from a solution of, किससे, solution of low concentration to solution of high concentration through a semi permeable membrane, SPM. ठीक है. सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन से लो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की तरफ सॉल्वेंट का पास होना सॉल्यूशन में से, दैट इज नोन एज ऑस्मोसिस. ठीक है बच्चा. Now, if we are talking about that, what is a semi-permeable membrane? So, it is basically a biological membrane which functions, which allow the permission, which allow the movement of only selected particles from one side to another one side. So, अगर हम इसकी बात करें तो semi-permeable membrane is a biological membrane which functions by permitting the movements of certain molecules or ions to pass through it. मैंने जैसा आपको बताया, there are few natural semi-permeable membranes like animal bladder. It is used as a semi-permeable membrane, or we can say our cell membrane also. ठीक है. Apart from this, जो आपकी वो होती है प्लास्टिक शीट्स होती हैं, सेलुलोज की शीट्स होती हैं, that is also acting as a semi-permeable membrane. And hexacyanide of copper hexacyanide of ferrite, that is also artificial semi-permeable membrane which does not work in non-aqueous solution as it dissolves in them. तो ये बेटा एक एक्सेप्शन केस है आपका कि ये एक आर्टिफिशियल सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन है. अदरवाइज अगर हम बात करते हैं सेमी परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन की, तो मैंने जैसे कहा ये स्पेशल टाइप की मेम्ब्रेन होती है, लेयर होती है विच अलाउज द परमिशन ऑफ ओनली सेलेक्टेड ions or we can say the molecules to pass through it. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट बेटा आ जाता है अब द ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय पाई and it is a colligative property. Now hopefully all of you must understood till now why it is known as a colligative property. So obviously it is a colligative property because it do not depend on the number of solute. It depends on the number of solute, not on the nature of solute. ठीक है. So it is defined as the minimum pressure which is applied to a solution. एक solution के ऊपर minimum pressure so that we can stop the flow of solvent molecules through a semi-permeable membrane. ठीक है. तो मतलब कि osmotic pressure basically is directly proportional to the molar concentration of solute particles. ठीक है जी. तो उसके solute particles की concentration पे क्या करेगा, डिपेंड करेगा. एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी कैन से पाई इज इक्वल्स टू CRT, और where C is nothing but it is the concentration. So concentration is what? Concentration is number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. So here we can say pi is equals to N upon VRT, और हम ये भी कह सकते हैं that pi B is equals to nRT, where pi is nothing but it is the osmotic pressure, or it is another one colligative property. ठीक है जी. Now beta, on the basis of this osmotic pressure we can divide a solution into three categories. फर्स्ट वन सोल्यूशन होता है हमारा हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन, जैसे कि अगर हमने इफ वी प्लेस सेल्स इन अ सोल्यूशन, हमने कैसा सोल्यूशन लिया है विच कंटेन 0.9% मोर देन 0.9% सोडियम क्लोराइड। तो ऐसे में अगर हम सेल ऐसा एक सोल्यूशन बनाएं जिसमें कि 0.9% से ज़्यादा का मास बाय वॉल्यूम NaCl का सोल्यूशन है और उसमें हमने क्या रख दिए, सेल्स रख दिए। सो इन दैट वन केस, क्योंकि आपकी NaCl की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्या हो गई, यहाँ ज़्यादा हो गई, सो द वाटर विल फ्लो आउट ऑफ द सेल्स, क्योंकि वहाँ वाटर की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम हो गई, एंड they would shrink. Cells would shrink. Such a solution is known as hypertonic solution. The another category of solution is hypotonic. अगर आपकी salt concentration solution में is less than 0.9% है, if it is more than 9%, so the shell will shrink, and such a type of a solution is hypertonic solution. If the concentration of salt solution, if the salt concentration is less than 0.9%, then solution is said to be hypotonic, as water will flow into the cells. Water क्या हो जाएगा, cells के अंदर भर जाएगा, and the cell would swell. Cell क्या हो जाएगा, shrink होने की जगह swell हो जाएगा, ठीक है। Whereas the third one type of a solution is isotonic solutions. This one iso word means beta same, है ना। So isotonic means the any two solutions which have same osmotic pressure at a given temperature. Such solutions are known as a isotonic solution, and when such solutions are separated by semi-permeable membrane, no osmosis occurs between them, क्योंकि उनकी जो osmotic pressure है, concentration है, वो almost equal है। तो जब वही equal होगी तो उसमें ना तो water flow करेगा, neither the water will come out or neither the water enter into the cell, ठीक है। तो दोनों ही केसेस नहीं होंगे, और ऐसे सोल्यूशन को हम क्या कहते हैं, we called it isotonic solutions. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी इट हियर। जैसे कि इसमें देखिए हाइपरटोनिक में क्या हुआ, देखिए बेटा, जो वाटर था वो क्या हो गया, बाहर की तरफ आ गया, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, श्रिंक, है ना। तो ये कंडीशन होती है सेल की प्लाज्मोलाइज्ड। वेयर एज इन हाइपोटोनिक में वाटर जो है वो बाहर से क्या हुआ, अंदर सेल में आ गया, ठीक है। वाटर विल फ्लो फ्रॉम आउटसाइड इनटू द सेल, एंड ड्यू टू विच द सेल विल स्वेल हो जाएगा, and that is the condition for the hypotonic. Whereas in isotonic case, neither the water goes nor the water comes out, means दोनों ही काम जो हो रहे हैं वो हो रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि water move नहीं कर रहा, but water will moving but in equal amount, जितना पानी अंदर जा रहा है उतना ही water बाहर जा रहा है। So this is the situation of Flackett, ठीक है। Now we are talking about the reverse osmosis. So beta, reverse osmosis is basically a natural phenomena, नाम से पता चल रहा है reverse. So ऐसा phenomena which occurs especially in the opposite direction of natural osmosis. Means हमने वहाँ कहा था low concentration to high concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Here we are saying the osmosis which occurs in which the solvent from a solution pass from a solution of high concentration to low concentration, and such type of osmosis is basically used for removing majority of contaminants from water, ठीक है। RO का जो basically concept है वो reverse osmosis पे based होता है, and we can remove the contaminants from the water by pushing the water under pressure through a semi-permeable membrane. So this is the application of reverse osmosis, ठीक है बेटा। So here you can say reverse osmosis occurs when a pressure is larger than the applied pressure. ठीक है, to the salt water. ठीक, तो अब ये देखिए, ये है जैसे सॉल्टी वाटर था, इसमें कंटामिनेंट्स थे, इम्प्योर वाटर है, आपने यहाँ से इस डायरेक्शन में इसमें अप्लाई किया प्रेशर, ये पिस्टन की हेल्प से प्रेशर अप्लाई हुआ। जब ज़्यादा प्रेशर आपका बड़ा हो गया, जो कि आप पिस्टन से लगा रहे थे उससे, तो यहाँ से प्योर वाटर जो है that starts from flowing from here to here, this direction, और जो वाटर हमें यहाँ मिला that is a fresh water. So this is the concept, और जितनी impurities थी वो यहीं पे आपकी यहीं रह गई। ठीक है, ओके, here